Hello, welcome to LeoPrime's Partnership Personal Area. Here you can manage your LeoPrime IB account related activities with ease and confidence. On the partnership dashboard, you will find your referral link, graphs to track your IB commissions and registrations done using your link, your current balance, total commissions earned, and total clients under your partner link. Click here to copy your partner link or share it via any social media platform directly from your partner personal area. The report section includes the client list and rebates earned. The client list provides general information about your registered clients. You could see the clients' names, account number and type of account, country, and registered date. You can also look for your active clients through the search filter by entering your preferred time period. Clicking on the View button will take you to the rebate section where you can view a list of informations including MT4 order ID, date of trades, the symbols and volumes traded by your clients and the commissions you have earned for the same. The statistics page lets you actively track the performance of your IB link as it shows the number of registrations, number of clicks your partner link has received, the commissions you have earned, and the conversion rate. In the promotion section, you can find the promotional banners with different sizes and themes. Choose the banner you wish to use for your promotional activities and copy the link shown. Once you have copied the link, you can either post it on your social media platform or send the link to your clients. The clients who register with the LeoPrime using the IB link which you have shared will be directly added under your IB account. In the extra bonus program section, you will be able to view all the ongoing bonus programs we offer exclusive for the IBs. The Withdrawal tab provides you with a wide range of payment gateways. You can choose your preferred payment gateway and withdraw your IB commissions easily and instantly. Please note that you can make withdrawals only if your profile is 100% verified. Join one of the most rewarding IB programs with LeoPrime right away. Happy trading!